2024 started out with a hike, so the better way to also end it is with a hike. Kaya bago pa umakyat ang araw, we headed up to one of the upcoming attractions on the mountains of Ilocos Sur.
We are ending 2024 with a hike to two of the most popular waterfalls destination dito sa Ilocos Sur. Isa ang pinakamataas na waterfalls dito sa probinsya, ang isa naman may dalang kasiyahan. Samahan niyo ako at si Asher as we discover and explore two waterfall destinations as we end 2024 on a high with a smile. The Eye of the Grid welcomes you to Awasan Falls at Sangbay ni Ragsak dito sa Ilocos Sur.
The hike to our first Ilocos Sur waterfall started out in the town of Sigay around 5 a.m. Madilim pa nang dumating kami sa jump-off point. This town is nestled along the Cordillera Mountain Range kaya medyo malamig ang klima dito. Ramdam namin ang tahimik at payak na probinsyang buhay ng lugar while trekking along its farmlands, riverbeds, and mountain trails.
Standing at 120 meters high ang Awasan Falls dito sa Sigay, ang pinakamataas na waterfalls dito sa probinsya ng Ilocos Sur.
Around 45 minutes lang na hike at masisilayan mo na ang ganda ng Awasan Falls. Standing at 142 feet, ang talon na ito is the highest waterfall sa probinsya ng Ilocos Sur. May tatlong vantage point ang falls. Yung una is along the trail where you get to see a side view ng waterfalls. Yung pangalawa at pinakapopular ay ang elevated view deck na nasa katapat ng waterfalls. At ang pangatlo is at the base of the falls. Maganda kung maaga kayo pumunta sa Awasan para maiwasan ninyo ang crowd sa pangalawang view deck. We had our breakfast at the base of the falls and matapos nun ay nagtampisaw kami sa malamig na tubig ng Awasan. Ang saya panoorin ng bagsak ng tubig ng waterfalls habang pinagmamasdan mo ang nakapaligid na gubat dito. Most of these forest covers remain untouched, kaya paalala sa mga dumadayo dito, leave no trace.
Okay, we're now here at the trail ng Sangbay ni Ragsak. Okay, the second waterfalls. Dito naman siya sa may Suyo. Alright. Sasama si Asher. Si Asher. Say hi.
No.
Mula sa mataas na talon ng Awasan ay tumuloy naman tayo sa katabing bayan ng Suyo para puntahan ang Sangbay ni Ragsak. Ang Sangbay ni Ragsak is from the local dialect which translates to waterfalls of happiness. At talaga naman nakaka-happy ang waterfalls na ito. The water falls on a wide rock face wall from a height of 30 meters into a shallow pool where you can also take a quick dip sa malamig na tubig nito. One thing that we really enjoyed was getting close to the base of its cascade. Dahil malapad ang cascade nito, the water drops na parang shower kaya makakalapit ka sa ilalim nito. Para ka lang naliligo sa ulan at the base of Sangbay ni Ragsak. Dati, pag sinasabi mong Ilocos Sur ay vegan lang ang naaalala natin. Pero ngayon, salamat sa mga farm-to-table road networks at social media, unti-unti nang nakikilala ang mga nakatagong ganda ng probinsya ng Ilocos Sur.
Offbeat destinations like Sigay and Suyo may look unassuming but actually host a lot of natural attractions, and only those adventurous enough to explore its range will get to see and appreciate its natural beauty. Mula dito sa Sangbay ni Ragsak, dito sa Suyo, Ilocos Sur, ako po si Mark Sevendel, wishing you all a great year of travel this 2025. At ito ang biyaheng Off the Grid.
You can read more about our Awasan Falls and Sangbay ni Ragsak adventures at mark7travels.com. I would also like to thank Colin Stern for keeping my stuff safe and dry during my travels and Magway for keeping me environmentally sun-safe when exploring the Philippines.
Caught in the crossfire.